Good day, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. We are the Group 2 and we are here to report and fundamental and lodging operation. And the topic is all about hotel chain and the different level of services. There are three different level of services. First is the world-class services. Second is the mid-range services. And the last is the budget limited service.
Good day, everyone. Today, we will tour you to our luxury hotel, the Aurum Hotel. Aurum is derived from the Latin word means gold, symbolizing luxury and status without being ostentatious. Our concept is a sophisticated, timeless hotel offering impeccable services, luxurious amenities, and classic atmosphere. The design emphasis on glamorous and elegant style will appeal or attract travelers who value quality and subtlety. Our logo is an abstract depiction of golden keyhole, implying the entry to exclusivity and luxury. The lines are clean and elegant and suggest sophistication and precision. The color are deep golds, rich creams, brown, gray, and black, referring to luxury, warmth, and timeless elegance. For the font, the Aurum Hotel is a classic season font, thin for the and hotel, and bolder for the Aurum to pay homage to the name of the hotel. The Aurum Hotel Mission and Vision. Mission. Our mission is to provide unparalleled service and hospitality by consistently exceeding guest expectations, fostering a sense of belonging, and offering a seamless blend of luxury, comfort, and personalized attention. Vision. To be the leading luxury hotel brand known for offering an extraordinary guest experience where every guest feels valued and enriched by their stay. These are the room accommodation we offered at the Aurum Hotel. First is a deluxe rooms. Elegant rooms with more space to movement around with a king-size bed and a high-quality mattresses and linens and a scenic views. It has a larger bathroom with upgraded fixtures like a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and a high-end toiletries. It has also a smart television with high-speed internet and a workspace. And also, we offer a complimentary food. Second is a presidential suite. It is an expensive suite with a living and dining room, multiple bedrooms with high-quality bedding and ample closet space with a panoramic views of the city. It has also a luxury bathroom with high-end linens, separate shower and tub, and a designer bathroom products. It has also a 24/7 personal butler service catered to every whim. And it has a high-end entertainment with a smart television and a high-speed internet connection. And it has an exclusive access to private club lounge with additional amenities and concierge services. Lastly, a penthouse. A luxury and glamorous suites with a living area, several bedrooms with king-size beds, walk-in closets, and several bathrooms with high-end fixtures and a floor-to-ceiling windows with breathtaking ocean views from an exclusive viewpoint. It has a large terrace with a sitting areas, sound loungers, outdoor dining areas, and a private hot tubs. It includes also a private bar, gourmet kitchen with the best of best appliances in room, personal spa treatment, and a private gym area. Also have a large flat screen with a high-speed internet and a personal workspace access to conference room. And have a 24/7 butler service, personal concierge, private check-in, check-out, and a personal shopping concierge. Experience a luxury at the Aurum Hotel. We await your arrival.
Good day everyone, I'm General Arcega. My topic is Restaurants Cuisines. First, Restaurant The Gilded Cuisine presents an expectational dining experience, showcasing sophisticated menu that artfully combines and the best of Mediterranean, Asian, and international culinary traditions. Our chef meticulously craft each dish using only the precious, highest quality ingredients, creating a symphony of flavors that will delight even the most discerning palate. Second, Coffee shop, the Rose and Grind. A cozy coffee shop will warm within the table comfortable armchairs. Batistas expertly craft a coffee, offers different kind of pastry, free Wi-Fi and power outlets. Third, 24/7 rooftop bar. A rooftop bar with a breathtaking view offers a classic and signature cocktails, wines, beers, non-alcoholic beverages, and a premium champagne. Hosts live music performance and the sets on weekends. The Rose and Grind. The menu in appetizer is spinach and artichoke dip, loaded sweet potato fries, calamare, caprese salad, and the main courses, classic cheeseburger, grilled salmon, chicken piccata, vegetarian chili, pasta primavera. For the desserts, chocolate lava cake, apple crumble, key lime pie. Lastly, the drinks, selection of soda, iced tea, coffee, selection of beers, local craft beer if possible. Our services offered is first, barista classes, catering services, takeaway opinions, loyalty program, free Wi-Fi, live music nights, pet-friendly patio, coffee subscription service, private and hosting sustainability initiative.
The Aurum Hotel also offers meeting and event spaces. First is a banquet hotel. It is a glamorous event space for weddings, corporate functions, recognition ceremonies, and other special occasions. We also cater a food and drinks for the guests and audio-visual equipment, speakers, microphones, screens for presentation, and decoration and lighting to create the mood for event. Second is the business centers or conference centers. Has a long table with comfortable chairs on both sides and ends and includes projectors, whiteboards, and other equipment to facilitate presentations, have a high-speed internet, plug-accessible desks in rooms, and it has an executive lounges with a complimentary refreshments.
Good day everyone. First, may I introduce myself to all of you. My name is Jan Pulsolio and my topic is all about Leisure and Wellness Center. First is the Spa and Wellness Center. So, we have 3 here. First, signature massage. Customized treatments such as deep tissue, Swedish or hot stone massage for relaxation and stress relief. Facial treatments. Organic facial anti-aging facials and detox. Facial tailored to different skin types. Last one, body scrub and warps. Exfoliating body scrub and detoxifying warps using natural ingredients like sea, salt, coffee, or mud. Number 2, fitness and yoga. So we have 3 again. First, personal training session. One-on-one coaching with certified personal trainer for personalized workout plans. Group fitness classes. High energy classes like HIIT, Zumba, or pilates to encourage fitness in a group setting. Yoga and meditation. Daily yoga classes are guided meditation sessions to promote mental clarity and relaxation. So let's proceed na number 3, swimming pool and jacuzzi. So we have 3 again. Infinity pool, a stunning infinity pool offering scene views for relaxation or exercise. A second one is jacuzzi and hydrotherapy pool. Soothing hydrotherapy pools with adjustable jets for relaxation and muscle recovery. The last one is poolside lang and refreshments. Comfortable lang areas around the pool offering healthy snacks, smoothies, and refreshing beverage. Next, number 4, healthy dining and detox menus. So we have 3 again. First, plant-based and organic meals. Menus featuring plant-based option with an emphasis on organic locally sourced ingredients. Second one is cold pressed juice and smoothies. Freshly made juice and smoothies rich in vitamins and antioxidants for detoxification and energy. And the last one is gluten-free and keto options. Healthy meal options catering to dietary needs such as gluten-free or keto-friendly dishes. So let's proceed to number 5, outdoor recreational activities. First, guide nature hikes. Explore nearby natural trails with experienced guides who highlight the flora, fauna, and local history. Second, water sports. Activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, or snorkeling for guests seeking an adventurous outdoor experience. The last one is biking and cycling tours. Bicycle rentals and guide cycling tours to explore the surrounding area in a more active and fun way. And for the last one is the casino. First is slot machine and table games. Variety of slot games, poker, blackjack, and roulette. Second, private gaming rooms, exclusive areas for high-stakes or VIP gaming experiences. And the last one is casino event and tournaments, special poker tournaments, blackjack event, or team casino nights.
We also offer additional luxury services. First is an executive tour or executive transfer. A chauffeur meets and greets you. A VIP guest can use the helipad, explore stunning landscapes from above, and a submarine rides. Second is a golf course. Direct access to golf course offer practice facilities including driving ranges, putting greens, and chipping areas. Offers golf lessons and a golf pro shop.
Let's talk about mid-range hotel. The sea and sky color in this logo likely convey a sense of tranquility, luxury, and escape, which are ideals for a hotel branding itself as a Paradise Hotel. Usually po kasi ang name ng mga hotel is very common na nakikita mo at naiisip mo agad ang rest. So para maiba naman, I come up with the word na paradise which has deeper meaning. And sabi nga sa Bible, paradise is a place of everlasting happiness, delight, and bliss. And also by just its name, you can already feel at rest, not just that you can also feel and experience peacefulness.
Mission and vision. Mission: committed to providing the most efficient, excellent, fast, and friendly services to the guests, also providing the best accommodation and facilities. Vision: guest satisfaction is our commitment.
Accommodations. The first one is superior room. A superior room typically refers to a type of hotel room that offers more space, better amenities, and a higher level of comfort compared to standard rooms. It may include upgraded furnitures like a larger bed, better views, a more spacious layout, and premium furnishing. The second one is executive room. An executive room typically refers to a higher tier room in a hotel or business environment designed to offer more comfort, privacy, and amenities than standard rooms. Executive room might also refer to a private office or meeting space intended for high-level management or executives, providing a quiet and professional environment for important discussions or decision-making. The third one is family room. A family room is a space in a home where family members gather to relax, socialize, and spend time together. It is typically a comfortable, informal area designed for daily use, often featuring soft seating like sofas, chair, and entertainment options like a TV, bookshelves, or games. The family rooms is usually located near the kitchen or central parts of the home and serves as a casual setting for watching movies, playing games, or enjoying family activities. It's meant to feel inviting and relaxed, offering a space for bonding and comfort. So now we will proceed to restaurants. Urban Eats. Urban Eats is a trendy and stylish all-day dining restaurant offering a mix of local and international comfort foods. And this is our menu for breakfast. We have scrambled eggs, waffles, avocado toast, granola with yogurt, and espresso-based drinks. For lunch, we have grilled chicken sandwiches, Caesar salad, tomato soup, and pasta primavera. And for our dinner, we have pan-seared salmon, steak with mashed potatoes, vegetable stir-fry, and fruit parfaits. Urban Eats is designed for young professionals and urban travelers, offering a casual yet stylish dining experience with fresh ingredients.
Versatile event spaces. Conference and meeting rooms can be arranged to suit weddings, engagement parties, anniversaries, and other social events. In-house catering options include buffet, plate dinners, and cocktail menu with choices to fit different budgets. Sound systems, projectors, and lighting to enhance the event's atmosphere and facilitate switches on presentation. Leisure and wellness centers. Swimming pools. Outdoor pools for relaxation, family fun, or light experience. Spa services. Basic spa facilities offering massage, facial and beauty treatment designed to help stay active.
HM stands for Hospitality Management, but star is definitely related to the little star symbol they make, and below that, Real Apartment tells you exactly what they have to offer, nice and clear.
The logo. There is also the circle called be the sun and moon. Hanging out near the building, it is the sun, it's feel warm and welcoming. If it's the moon, is more about relaxing at home. And these two little trees on either side of the building, they gives a bit of natural peaceful vibes like the apartment are very simple. The whole thing is a simple black and white or maybe a dark gray on the light background, which is make it easy to read. This is the font we choose because it's simple and beautiful.
HM Star Real Apartment. First thing you notice is how clean and simple it is. They've been gone for that modern, less smart look. It's basically a drawing of a little apartment building. Just the outline, nothing too detailed. That makes it easy to spot and remember, even if it's small.
The mission and vision. Mission. We prioritize a customized experience, ensuring your needs are met. Vision. Our focus is on sustainability with green initiative to reduce our environmental impact.
Accommodation. Standard room. Features: queen-size bed, flat screen TV, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, work desk, in-room safe, and mini fridge. View. City or garden view options. Standard room are the most basic type of room offered, typically providing essential amenities like a bed, private bathroom, desk, chair, television, and basic toiletries at an affordable price.
2. Standard double room. Feature: a single double bed, a private bathroom, a dish, a small sitting area, basic amenities like a mini fridge, and designed to comfortability accommodate 2 guests.
Dining or restaurant. Budget hotel may be offer very basic breakfast, think bread and coffee or no one-side dining. The only thing is very vending machine. The emphasis is on convenience and affordability.
Business centers and event centers. Meeting rooms. Meeting in a budget hotel are cost-effective gathering held in a basic conference rooms with essential amenities offerings, affordable space for business discussion, workshop, or small events without luxury service.
Leisure and wellness center. Budget hotels rarely have a full wellness center. We only have a small fitness room or basic pool.
Additional, may little basketball court and billiard.
Thank you everyone, and this is the end of our report. And we hope all of you are listening. God bless.